solving one-step subtraction equations. Now, one thing important to note, how a subtraction equation is written is important. So check it out. X minus 5 equals 9, and 8 equals y subtract 7. Notice that the variable does not come after the subtraction sign, it comes before. So we really want to make sure that whatever number we're using is coming after the subtraction sign, so we're adding that to the other side. So let's take a look at some examples. So we just said again, doing the opposite operation. So the opposite of subtraction is addition. So I'm going to add 7 to both sides to make the equation a true statement. So x equals 11. Same thing here, making sure we add to both sides our decimal. I like to show what I'm doing to cancel the pieces out, because when two-step equations, what we're going to do later, come into effect, it's a lot easier to set yourself up for success by doing these simple steps. So y equals 9 and 13/100ths. Adding some fractions. All right, so I'm just going to rewrite this. $30 is going to be my common denominator. Times 5 times 6. So m equals 29/30ths. And that would be my final answer. And again, just like the addition ones, we may end up having our solution be a negative number, and that's okay. Or you may see just negative numbers in your equation to begin with. So if I add 14, well, negative 12 plus 14 is 2. And that would be my final answer. Now, if you ever are in question, you can check to see if your solution, which is what your variable equals, makes the equation true. So negative 12 equals 2 subtract 14. Well, if I do plus negative, this is negative 12. This side is negative 12, and this is my final answer. So 12 equals 12. If they equal each other, we know we are correct. And one story problem here. At age 25, German Titov of Russia was the youngest person to travel into space. This is 13 years less than Neil Armstrong was when he walked on the moon. How old was Neil Armstrong? Write and solve a subtraction equation. Well, I'm going to say n equals Neil's age, and 13 years less. So we're going to say n minus 13 equals 25. Adding on both sides, n equals 38. So Neil Armstrong was 38 years old when he walked on the moon. So use this and use these examples for your assignment if you run into something you have a question on.